Baby, I got money, don't you worry.
Okay, we're back. We're entering Grand Park. Dirty Bro, go. Vamos.
Even when there are open parking spots.
Let's see how close we could get to this NASCAR event. Oh wow, we're walking right into it. Okay. Souvenirs. Hey, go, Dirty Bro, go.
Alright.
Where are we going?
Summertime shy. Peace. Oh man. What up, bro? Dirty Bro, go. Peace. Hey, Dirty Bro, go channel. Peace, peace. Okay, it's definitely a festive event. Peace, peace. Dirty Bro, go channel. All right. Fight the copyright.
So what I saw on Instagram is
I think I have to actually. Hey, hey. Okay, I will have to pay right here to actually go in. We're gonna go down here, guys. We're gonna come back and get everything we can get. Oh, about to get ran over. Shit. Say hey, Dirty. Hey, all right. That's what's up. Say hey, Dirty. Say hey, Dirty. Dirty Bro, go. That was interesting. Peace, 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 peace. What up, bro? Dirty bro, go.
What's up? What's up?
All right. What up, dirty bro, go.
What's up, man?
What's up? Peace and love. All right. Everybody's out for NASCAR. Pretty festive out here. As you guys can see, summertime shy. It's the place to be. What up, bro? Summertime shot. Dirty bro, go. Dirty bro, go. Summertime shot.
What's up?
Vamos. Oh yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Going down. Peace. Railroad tracks. What up, bro? Peace.
I don't know how to get
That's what's up. That's what's up.
the metro from
Alright. Let me see, who is this? Hello. Yeah, what's up? Huh? Who?
I'll be there in 7 minutes.
Okay, I'm on my way over there.
Dude, I feel like I'm driving.
Okay, I'm on my way over there. I'm downtown. I'm at the NASCAR thing. Hey! Huh? Alright. Alright, let's go, dirty bros. We back at it. Small interruption. Telephone call. Go. And this is a skate park. Nobody's really doing anything at the moment. He on rollerblades. Let's see if he's gonna attempt any kind of stunt. Uh-oh, I think he's going for it. Oh, okay. All right. I see a skateboarder coming in the park now. He's over there. No, nothing? Oh, come on, man. Say, Dirty. Damn. That's 2 in a row, nothing. What's the fuck going on, man? All right, guys. Which way are we going? All right, let's choose to go that way.
Green coffee, guys. Green coffee.
People are in the grass, relaxing, chilling. Say, hey, Dirty. Dirty Bro Go channel. You famous now. Go. Woo-hoo. Yeah.
Like secretary.
triple. Oh, that's fun.
After like the segment on
What's up, bro? Dirty Bro Go. Check yourself out on YouTube. Dirty Bro Go channel.
When I get home, I got it.
Alright, that's what's up. Alright. No one's doing anything at this moment. Look like everyone's taking a rest. This guy got a skateboard. He's not doing anything. They're just lunching. All right, nothing to see there. Street vendors.
Oh, you want to get your on this next one?
Okay, yeah, some snacks.
How much you got? One.
One. I ain't selling one. You can get it for $2.
Huh?
You can get it for $2. One.
Yeah.
All right. What up, bro? Dirty Bro Go. Hey.
I took Ariana and Chloe there.
Bike rentals there.
Hey, say hey, Dirty. Peace. All right, Dirty Bro Go channel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
We're all sloppy.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go this way a little bit, then we're gonna bring this video to an end. Say hey, Dirty. All right.
Like I barely tapped it type shit.
And you tapped it like it almost fell over.
What up, bro? Damn, you was Steph. And this is the corner of Roosevelt and Michigan.
I hate
Say, hey, Dirty. What's up? This is the corner of Michigan and Roosevelt. Dirty Bro Go channel, bro. Dirty Bro Go channel, YouTube. Dirty Bro Go. Yeah, channel. Alright. I think we able, wait, no, can we go? Maybe. Let's, okay, they're going, we're going. Vamos. Summertime shot. What up, bro? Summertime shot. What you got here? What you got here?
I'm selling lemonade. That's strawberry lemonade, pineapple, lime, cucumber, strawberry lemonade. Strawberry horchata and regular horchata.
Okay. You just do it out on the streets or?
Nah, this is just for today.
Just for today, okay.
Yeah, but usually we do events and stuff like that. We travel a lot.
Okay, all throughout Chicago?
Out of Chicago.
What's your name?
Everybody call me NY, but my real name is Armando. Work for Freddy's Grill.
Okay, you got an Instagram, Facebook, website?
Nah.
No, none of that?
Nah.
Okay. Look out for Freddy, man.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, peace and love. Hey, what up, bro? All right. Yeah, guys, we're gonna bring this video. What up, bro? We're gonna bring this video to an end somewhere around here. Where we going next? We don't know. Hey, good. Yeah, guys, where we going next? We don't know. We just go. Vamos. Dirty Bro Go. Peace.